On Valentine's Day 2015, the Otters hosted the Owen Sound Attack for the second night in a row at Erie Insurance Arena. Owen Sound got the first 3 goals of the game, 2 in the first period, and the only one of the second period to take a 3-0 lead into the second intermission. Alex DeBrincat got the Otters on the board, giving them their first goal of the game. Eric Bradford got his second of the game for Owen Sound to take a 4-1 lead. Then the Otters went wild at the end of the third period, getting 3 goals in under 2 minutes. Connor McDavid had 2, and Kyle Pettit had the other to send the game into overtime. Begros scored the game winner with under a minute to go for Owen Sound to give the Attack the 5-4 overtime victory over the Erie Otters.